Hey guys, I'm Dr. Simeone with the Disc Chiropractic, and today I want to answer a handful of questions related to herniated discs after an auto accident. Um, so one of the most common questions that I get is, can accidents cause a disc herniation? And of course, the answer to that is yes. There are many, many studies, some that came out in 2023, 2024, that confirm that traumatic forces from car accidents can actually rupture or displace spinal discs even without fractures. Yale also has a study that they came out saying that auto accidents at even low speeds can create a significant amount of stress onto the body and into the spine. Another little thing that people may not realize is that when cars have a receptacle for a hitch or a hitch on the actual vehicle and there's a rear end, that force, rather than getting absorbed by the crumple zone of the vehicle, gets gets sent into the frame of the vehicle and therefore into all the people that are sitting inside of the car itself. So just another thing to think about as well. Another good question that I get is, how soon after a car crash can symptoms appear? Well, they can appear immediately, or they can gradually increase over days or even weeks as there's more and more inflammation to areas where there may be a sprain, strain, um, or other types of injuries due to the car or auto accident. Um, and also, delayed pain is frequently found in whiplash types of cases. Another common question I get is, do I need surgery for herniated discs after being in a car accident? The answer to that is, in most cases, no. Chiropractic care and spinal decompression can effectively treat spinal disc injuries without the need for surgery. That's why it's called non-surgical spinal decompression. And spinal decompression is really the gold standard for treating spinal disc injuries. Another good question that I get is, how long does recovery take? It's different for everybody based on the severity of the injury, if there's any pre-existing conditions. And so typically a case may take, 4, 8, or 12 weeks, depending on the severity. There are some very, very severe cases that may take longer than that. Everybody does heal and recover at their own pace. Um, and so with that, I hope that you gain some valuable information. And if you need us for anything whatsoever, just know that you can always reach out to us. But I hope this information can help you, even if you're from somewhere else, to find a good doctor to take care of you after an auto accident.